Hello everyone, welcome to Cambridge Primary Science Stage 5, Chapter 1 Investigating Plant Growth. Today we are going to discuss our topic Plant and Light. So this is an activity. In this activity, we'll investigate the effect of the light on the plant growth. Let us take the two plants. We watered both the plants with the same amount of water. We have to predict how do you think the two plants will grow and observe your prediction and draw a table to record the height and the appearance on each time you observe. Observe the plants every 4 days for 3 weeks and water both the plants with the same amount of water. So this table shows the growth pattern of both the plant A and B. This is the on 12th June. The height of the plant A 8 centimeter and plant B 8 centimeter. The number of leaves 8 and 8. The color of stem and leaves green and green, and the general appearance healthy and strong of plant A and the healthy and strong same. Both the plants are same on this date, the healthy and strong. On the 14th June, plant A and B height is 12 centimeter, 9 centimeter, number of leaves 10 and 9, and the green slightly paler green plant B, and healthy and strong is plant A and plant B is healthy. And 16th June, plant A height 14 and 11, number of leaves 13 and 10, and color of stem and leaves green and paler green, healthy and quite healthy. Plant A and B on 18th June, 17 and 14 height and number of leaves 15 and 12, green and yellow green, healthy and strong and unhealthy. And plant A and B on 20th June, 20 and 14, 18 and 10 number of leaves, green and yellow color of stem and leaves, and healthy and strong. And this is an unhealthy plant because now the color of stem and leaves is yellow of plant B. So plant A is healthy and strong and plant B is unhealthy. Now let's discuss about the question and answer on the next slide. Let's discuss the question and answer. Which plant grew the best? Plant A grew the best. Do your results support your prediction? As we have taken both two plants, plant A and B, and we have taken the height, the number of leaves, the general appearances, and the color of leaves, and on these basis we have made the judgment that which plant growth is better, and it depends upon the prediction made. Name two ways in which you have measured the plant growth. We have measured the height and counted the number of leaves. How else could you tell which plant grew better? The color of leaves and the stems and the general appearances of the plants show which plant grew better, that which one is healthy and which one is weak. Why did you keep one plant in the dark? One plant was kept in the dark to show that increased growth of plant is due to the effect of light, to show that without light plant do not grow well. Which factor or factors caused the changes you observed? The amount of light caused the changes observed in the investigation. Is this investigation a fair test? Yes, it is a fair test because only one factor changed, that is the light, and all other factors like plants, they were in similar in size, they had same amount of water, and they were kept in at the similar temperatures. Write a conclusion for the investigation. Conclusion that plants need light in order to grow. Do you think you have enough data to form a conclusion? No, only one plant was investigated under each condition. Suggest a way to improve your results without doing the investigation again. We can improve the results if we collect the results from the group of students and we look for the pattern. So what are the misunderstanding and misconception? That plants do not grow at all without light. Some of the facts are light is needed for the plant growth, but plants will grow for some time in the dark using the stored foods. Growth stops once the food is used up because the plants cannot make more foods without the light. The stored food the plants made only with the help of the light, but without light they cannot make more food. Plants kept in dark become long as they try to grow efforts because they have put the efforts to reach the light, so that's why they become long. They also become yellowish because the light is needed for the formation of the pigment chlorophyll, which makes the plant green. It's the chlorophyll that makes the plant green. That chlorophyll that is formed because of the light. and if there is no light, then the plant becomes yellowish. Why do some plants that live in a very shady places grow big? Not all the plants suitable for living in the shady places, but some plants needs lots of sunlight. Plants that grow in shady places, they have a big leaves that absorb more sunlight. Their leaves are often dark green because they have more photosynthesis which takes place in dark green leaves, and they have more chlorophyll. Plants need light. Light is important part of photosynthesis. The process that plants use to convert the carbon dioxide and water into a food, that is called the photosynthesis. Without light, photosynthesis cannot work. You need light for the photosynthesis. And photosynthesis is the process that plants use to convert the carbon dioxide and water into food. So without photosynthesis, plants don't get all the food they need to grow healthy. Plants need three things to grow, that are water, heat and light. The soil is also often moist in the shady places, and plants growing there get the plenty of water to help to grow big. Thank you. Do subscribe and like my channel to see more videos. Bye bye.